How much should you actually spend on an automatic Mahjong table? People seem thrilled with the budget options, yet some return the pricier ones. It's kind of interesting, right? Let's uncover what's really worth your money. Product number 1. Ultra-thin automatic Mahjong table. First up, we have the foldable ultra-thin automatic Mahjong table by Mahjong, priced at $1,099. This caught my eye because it's one of the top brands out there and boasts a 4.8 star rating from 27 reviews. If you want a reliable and well-crafted table that enhances gameplay, this is worth a serious look. So, why does this product stand out? It features a high-quality motor designed for smooth operation, and you can shift between Chinese, Filipino, and American styles with ease thanks to 2 sets of magnetic tiles. The table measures a generous 38 inches by 38 inches, so there's plenty of room for your game. Plus, it automatically shuffles the tiles and gets you started in just 3 seconds, perfect for keeping the energy up during game nights. With 220 pounds of sturdy build, it's designed to last. Now, I will say that some users mention it can be a bit heavy to move around. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to keep it in one spot, that's probably not a deal breaker. It's solidly built, and once it's set up, you won't need to fuss with it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable table that offers a premium gaming experience. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easily portable. But for the price, you're getting great value with quality materials and features. Now, if the weight of the ultra-thin model concerns you, the next option on our list might actually be a better fit for easier mobility. Product number 2. MJBSD Automatic Mahjong Table. Next up is the Automatic Mahjong Table MJBSD, also from Mahjong and priced at $1,159.99. This one's intriguing because it offers fantastic customer service and a 1-year warranty, which is key for peace of mind. If you want a versatile design with robust features, give this one a serious look. This table doesn't just look good. It's packed with features that address real gaming needs. The pedestal folding style makes it easy to set up and store, which is perfect if you're short on space. It comes with 2 sets of tiles for different styles of Mahjong, and the exquisite melamine tiles are easy to read, making gameplay smoother. Plus, it has an impressive table size of 110 centimeters, giving everyone plenty of room to strategize. However, some reviews pointed out that the folding mechanism can be a bit finicky. Now, I get it, that could be a hassle for some. But honestly, if you're careful and follow the instructions, it shouldn't be a huge issue, and the benefits far outweigh it. This table is great for you if you love hosting flexible game nights with friends and want something that's easy to store. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward setup without the folding mechanism. But in terms of value, you're really getting a lot for your investment here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a quieter operation during gameplay. Product number 3. USA Mahjong Table Roller Coaster Style. Now, let's talk about the USA Mahjong Table, another gem from Mahjong, priced at $1,249. What makes this stand out is its dual mode setting that really optimizes gameplay. If you want a quieter game experience, this might be exactly what you're looking for. This table features a roller coaster style mechanism, which means you don't have to push the tiles manually. It automates the process, taking only 3 seconds to get you set up. That's a serious time saver during intense game sessions. Plus, the electronic display sums up points without any noise, which is a game changer for those late-night sessions. With a folding design, it saves space and is easy to transport, thanks to its wheels. But I have to mention, some users found the setup a little complicated. I'll be real with you. If you're not tech-savvy, that could be a bit frustrating. But once you get it down, it enhances the overall experience. This table is perfect for you if you value a quiet and efficient gaming environment. Skip it if you want something simpler without advanced features. But honestly, for the sophisticated player, this table is worth every penny. Now, if you're looking for something with a classic feel but still modern functionality, let me introduce you to our next option. Product number 4. Roller Coaster Mahjong Table. Next, we have the roller coaster style Mahjong table, also priced at $1,249. This one caught my attention because it combines modern mechanics with a classic aesthetic. If you're after a stylish table that performs well, this is worth considering. Similar to the previous option, this table features that roller coaster mechanism, which drastically reduces noise and increases efficiency. It also folds up easily for storage, and with 2 sets of tiles included, you can switch styles without hassle. With dimensions that provide ample space, it's designed for both comfort and playability. Plus, the LED display enhances the experience by summing points automatically. However, there's a slight drawback. Some users reported that the tiles can sometimes get stuck if not handled properly. Here's the thing, though. As long as you follow the usage instructions, this shouldn't be too much of an issue. The benefits you get from the design more than make up for it. This table is fantastic for you if you want to enjoy a modern and aesthetic gaming experience. Skip it if you don't want to deal with the potential of minor tile issues. But for what you're getting, it's a solid pick. Okay, that wraps up our high-end options. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly without losing quality, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Seafong City Automatic Mahjong Table. Finally, we have the Seafong City Folding Automatic Mahjong Table, priced at $849.99. This caught my eye because it offers a great combination of features at a lower price point. If you're looking for an affordable yet effective table, this could be your best bet. This table features a unique coaster style, reducing the need to bend down to operate the controls. A thoughtful design for those who play for hours. The larger tile size makes it ideal for Sichuan Mahjong, and the built-in glass cover adds a sophisticated touch while protecting the game. Plus, it includes 2 sets of jade-style tiles, ensuring you're ready for any game. But I noticed some users mentioned that the setup instructions weren't very clear. I get it. That can be frustrating, especially when you just want to start playing. However, once you figure it out, you'll find this table provides a seamless gaming experience without breaking the bank. This table is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional table without a hefty price tag. Skip it if you prefer a table that comes with a simpler setup process. But for the value, it's hard to beat this price for the quality it offers. So there you have it. We've explored 5 fantastic automatic Mahjong tables, each with its unique strengths. Whether you're looking for premium features, quiet operation, or a more budget-friendly option, there's something here for everyone. Just remember to consider your specific needs before making that purchase.